Hello dear student, once again I am here to discuss about the mathematics of class 8. At this time I will discuss about the chapter 10 of the class 8 of mathematics, which is visualizing solid shape. So in this chapter we will discuss about the 2D shapes, 3D shapes and related to its component. So first of all we should know what is the 2D figure. What are the 2D figure? 2D means two dimensional. So the figures in which have only two dimensional, that is only length and breadth. So we will say it is a two dimensional figure, that is 2D figure. For example, this is a rectangle. It has only length and breadth. For example, any square. This has only length and breadth. So here is only length and breadth or length and breadth. So we will say these all are the 2D figures. Now come to the 3D figures. What is 3D figures? 3D, that is three dimensional figure. So the figures having three dimension, that is length, breadth and also height. So we will say this is the three dimensional figure. For example, any cube. This is the cube or cuboid. So it have also length, this is breadth and this is also have height. So we will say this is the 3D figure. For example, any sphere that is ball. So you have also ball have also length, also breadth and also height. So ball, sphere is also a 3D figure. The examples of 3D figures are cones, sphere, cylinder. These all are the examples of 3D figures. And example of 2D figures is square, rectangle, triangle, all are the 2D figures example. Now come to the topic, what is the components of any 3D figure? For example, if we take any cuboid, this is the cuboid. This is the cuboid. So it has length, it has breadth and it has height. This is height, this is breadth and this is length. So in any three-dimensional figure, there are faces, edges and vertices. So these components are present. First one is faces, second one is edges and last one is vertices. So we will discuss about what is the faces, what is the edges and what is the vertices. First we should know what is the faces. The surface of the 3D figure is known as the faces. That is in cuboid. This is one face, this is another face, this is another, this is another, this is another, this is another. So surface of any 3D figure is known as the faces. So in the cuboid there are 6 faces is present. First one is here, second one is back side, third, fourth, 5 and 6. So these all are the faces. Now what is the edges? Where the faces meet, this is known as the edges. So in this case, one face is here, one face is here. So the meeting point of the faces is known as the edges. So this is edges. This is edge. This is also edge. This is also edge. This is also edge. This is also edge. Edge. So here are only how many edges present in the cuboid? One is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 edges present in the cuboid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 14 edges present in the cuboid. Now what is the vertices? The meeting point of the corner of the cuboid is known as the vertices, where all the faces are meet. The meeting point of all the faces is known as the vertices. That is the corner of the cuboid, या corner of the three-dimensional figure is known as the vertices. So this is the vertices. This is the vertex. So vertices is the plural term and singular terms is vertex. So this is vertex, this is vertex, this is also vertex, 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 vertex. So corner of the three-dimensional figure is known as the vertices. Singular is vertex. So here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices are present in the cuboid. So what is the faces? The surface of the three-dimensional figure is known as the faces. What is the edges? The meeting point of the faces is known as the edges. And what is the vertices? The corner of the three-dimensional figure is known as the vertices. Now come to the Euler's formula. What is the Euler's formula? Euler formula. What is the Euler formula? Euler's formula has been given to find the number of faces, edges and vertices in any three-dimensional figure. F plus V minus E is equal to 2. This is known as the Euler's formula. Euler was the mathematician and he gave the formula which is known as the Euler's formula. F plus V minus E equal to 2. Here F is equal to faces, number of faces. F is equal to number of faces. Number of faces. V is equal to number of vertices. And E is equal to number of edges. So this formula is used. This formula is used to determine whether it is polyhedron or not, where it is three-dimensional figure or not. If this equation follow, this formula follow, then we will say that this will be polyhedron or three-dimensional figure. For example, if we take any cuboid, so here vertices is equal to V is equal to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8. What is the faces? Faces will be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what about the edges? E equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, 12. So now use the Euler formula. This will be V 6. What is the formula? F plus V minus E is equal to 2. Now faces 6 plus vertices 8 minus 12 is equal to 2. 8 and 6, 14 minus 2, that is 2 is equal to 2. So we will say this is the polyhedron and this is also a three-dimensional figure. So if this formula is followed in any figure, then we will say that this is the polyhedron and this is also a three-dimensional figure. So this is the Euler formula to find whether it is polyhedron or not, and it will make 3D figure or not. So this is known as the Euler formula. Now this is all about your chapter 10, which is very small chapter. Now you have to do the exercises of this question. Thank you.